Service at PALFINGER is more than technical support. It is one of our most important quality promises. Regular inspections enable maximum uptime and ensure the resale value of your machines. With state-of-the-art technology and our global network, we are always close by. This solid foundation is formed through excellent training. The expertise and skills of every single partner and the way we continuously share knowledge ensure that all members of our network are at the top of their game. Connecting analog and digital tools unlocks countless new possibilities. With our quality and partner standards, we are consistently developing, implementing, and evaluating our global network. We also set the same standards for ourselves and for the various materials of components and spare parts we use. If you ever experience an issue, your nearest PALFINGER service partner will provide support and assistance in a reliable and timely manner. Whenever you need help, you can rely on our mobile service. Our technicians provide expert assistance directly on site, so you can quickly get back to work. From experience, we know that some problems are best prevented before they occur. At PALFINGER, we are always one step ahead. We never stop improving our products and services. Operator and fleet manager are connected at all times, thanks to our enhanced digital tools, thereby maintaining an overview of the technical condition of their machines and service checks. Our tailored service and repair contracts offer full cost transparency, so you can focus on your core business. We are passionate about what we do and consider all aspects from your perspective. That's what we call lifetime service.
PALFINGER.